purple or it's something like that,
that's
spicy
good.
and peanuts taste. And
Yeah.
that's amazing.
Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Kembali lagi di acara icip-icip internasional bersama Yuni Simple Channel. Ini sudah masuk musim gugur, udah dingin lagi dan sudah berbungkus-bungkus lagi kami pemirsa. Jadi harus makan yang berat-berat dan yang apa itu ya, yang bikin hangat di tubuh ya. Nah, hari ini saya kepengen banget mau makan nasi uduk atau nasi lemak atau nasi gemuk atau nasi apa deh, pokoknya namanya setiap daerah itu beda-beda ya. Kalau saya bilangnya di tempat kami nasi lemak. Nah, ini berhubung nasi lemak ini atau makanan berat ini belum pernah ya dieksekusi di apartemen, jadi saya mau eksekusi di apartemen. Pokoknya random siapa yang beruntung. Daging yang sudah dicuci bersih, kemudian masukin air panas atau air yang sudah masak dan rebus, kemudian buang kotoran-kotoran yang ada di daging. Dan saya menggunakan bumbu rendang gadih untuk membuat rendang ini. Bumbu rendang gadih ini terdiri dari dua ya, dalam satu kemasan ada bumbunya dan juga ada minyak kelapanya. Nah, untuk bumbunya banyak banget, jadi bisa untuk setengah kilo sampai 750 gram. Dan ini setelah saya masukin bumbunya, setelah mengering dan agak empuk, saya masukin minyak kelapanya ya. Nah, minyak kelapanya ini juga sudah terpisah dan tinggal dimasukin aja ke dalam rendang yang sudah kering, tinggal diaduk sampai mengering. Ini rendangnya sudah mulai kering. Nah, praktis banget. Jadi kalau saya bikin rendang itu sekarang gampang, nggak usah khawatir mau ini ada nggak, bumbu ini ada nggak, karena bumbu rendang ini lumayan banyak ya, bumbu-bumbunya, rempah-rempahnya. Dan juga favorit keluarga kami juga ini pemirsa, balado. Ini ikan teri disambelin balado. Dalas kalau makan ini dia gak pakai nasi, dicemilin gitu aja. Nah, hari ini saya bikin nasi uduk, cocok lah ya. Nasi uduk itu lauknya ada telur yang diiris-iris dengan ikan teri. Itu adalah yang gak bisa terpisahkan. Ini teri ini, teri balado ini punya rendang gadih juga ya, produk rendang gadih juga. Ini juga mereka nggak pakai MSG juga, produk rendang gadih ini cocok banget ini dengan saya ya, tidak pakai penyedap, tidak buat pakai perasa buatan sebagai. Nah, ini tahu nggak? Ini isinya ya, nih liatin, dua isi di dalamnya. Ini yang saya sukai dari balado ini, apa, ikan teri balado ini, karena terpisah. Ini khusus ikan teri dan kacang, dan ini khusus bumbunya. Ini bener-bener nih. Nah, ini pengemasannya juga ya. Biasanya kalau bumbu teri balado ini kan campur kan, jadi agak basah-basah gitu kan. Kalau ini nggak, kering banget ini pemirsa. Dengerin nih. Wow, bumbu ini ya nampol banget deh. Gak perlu lagi dipanas-panasin, kalau saya langsung aja ini dicampur kayak gini. Ya Allah, sedap betul. Ini banyak banget bumbunya, ini ada di sini ya. Tinggal diaduk-aduk, tinggal diaduk-aduk. Oke, saya masukin semua nih satu level. Udah ngeces ini, saya ngeliat apa, baru mau ngaduk ini juga udah ngeces duluan. Duh, nasi uduk saya belum matang lagi. Kalau udah matang saya udah makan duluan deh, sebelum iciper makan. Nasi uduk dengan nasi panas. Ini kalau mau bepergian juga ya. Ini mau piknik, mau apa gitu, mau pergi keluar kota, mau pergi umroh, langsung aja begini pemirsa. Jadi ini garing, nggak basah ya, karena emang fresh gitu. Sedap kan? Mantep banget deh pemirsa. Ini saya cobain lagi nih yang saya masukin ke sendok sini ya. Saya cobain yang sudah dicampur aduk. Dengar nih kriuk-kriuknya ya. Sensasinya itu ya. Rendang saya ini udah mau jadi nih. Oke, jadi bagi pemirsa semua kalau mau order silahkan di order ke marketplace Rendang Gadih, follow Instagramnya Rendang Gadih, dan juga bisa dibeli di Yunileisure Shop tanpa penyedap, tanpa MSG, dan tanpa zat aditif lainnya. Jadi aman untuk keluarga juga, enak untuk dibawa berpergian kemana-mana. Kayak kemasannya seperti ini. Sekarang saya siap-siap. Kita lihat bagaimana reaksi para iciper.
This is really good.
Good.
What's this?
That is nasi uduk with the rendang and anchovy. It's spicy, right?
Not really, but it's still
It's
delicious.
very nice, yeah.
Oh, that is nice.
Honestly,
Really very nice. And you eat in the same food.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, same food.
It is very
everybody
nice.
same food.
Honestly, I missed you and your cooking.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah. Long time I not see you, Abdul. It's a lucky day today.
You promised me you'll make some dinner for me before I left. You didn't call me once.
Okay.
Do not subscribe to our channel, okay?
You subscribe my channel?
Of course, I show it to my family as well.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of it nice.
Yeah, it's nice
All
combined
this
together.
nice. This is
Even
really
right.
nice.
This one rendang.
Yeah,
That is a balado.
this is very nice.
Yes.
This is nice.
That's
Everything is nice.
That is a sponsor video today is Rendang Gadih. That is product from Rendang Gadih.
Rendang Gadih.
Yeah.
Okay.
The-
There's just one problem.
What?
There isn't more of it. If it's fine, because maybe you want other people to try it, I don't want to take it from other people.
No. Just fine if you're still hungry.
The food is really nice.
Have you tried food like this before?
No,
Yeah.
never tried.
Only in Toby.
Oh God. The rice also different, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's very nice.
It's special rice.
Lots of flavour.
Good.
Where did I put where's the garbage? I think behind the desk.
Which one? Oh, the bean.
And the seeds.
Here.
Oh, I've already ate. Yeah, I've already had lunch.
To be honest, last time when the camera was on, he said to me, I didn't have time to eat it, I didn't like it.
He's a liar.
Honest, he said to me. What he's gonna say is nice. Say something different.
It is nice, that's the thing.
We want honest opinions, not just fake.
It's tasty.
Yeah?
This is nice.
That's nice, thank you.
Abdul said if nobody want it, he want to take all the box.
Oh no, I know Abdul will have it. Forget Abdul.
What are you forgetting me? Shut up. Take all the boxes.
It's nice.
Nice.
Yeah, thank you. This is nice.
Yeah?
It's nice. Even you already have lunch, but still nice, is it?
I know, yeah. Don't cram it in.
See, I told you.
Yeah, it's really tasty. Yeah,
Yeah, very
I like
tasty.
the spices.
Yeah, you like it, yeah?
I like it so much, yeah. This is really nice.
Now I'll go to the store and I'll come back to guys, okay? Keep it for me.
No, eat it now when you go on.
I should go now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll sit there. Thank you so much.
Okay, my pleasure.
I'll just sit here.
10 pound.
10 pounds.
10 cents. And the economy. Fucking inflation, no?
20 pound.
For the me. It's spicy.
I'll just make something dummy.
Yeah.
Screw
I
this.
really like it. Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Okay, my pleasure.
That's all of it for me.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
it's
can take it.
much. Everybody have
Right.
one box.
You can take it with
Yeah,
you.
can take
One box? Oh
Yeah.
my god!
You can take it later with you.
Yes, that is lunch.
No,
The
I
meat,
meant
you
for
love the
the
meat.
whole day here. I'm taking this one.
No, you have this
No,
one. it's for
you try little and then you can take to home.
Take
Seriously,
home, later,
yeah?
you have to
Take
eat
home
it.
later.
Eat it.
Try first. Seriously.
You like the meat?
Yes.
I think so. Taste something so.
No. One box for one person.
Wow, what's this? I never eat something like that.
Rendang. This is anchovy with the peanut with the balado sauce. Is do you like spicy?
Yes, of
Oh,
course.
that's
Yes.
right, that's
we
it.
go in Thailand next 2 weeks.
Yes. And this is the beef rendang. And this nasi uduk rice with you try first and then you guess.
Yes. But I know only rice, nothing different, and cucumber. But this one and this is meat or
yes, meat. But this is different rice. Try first. It's not normal rice.
yeah, I think so. Like you make risotto.
Risotto.
Risotto is different.
Yes, that's right. Yes, with the flavor or something. Yeah.
Smell amazing. If you are loving something like that, what do you eat? You eat some. You try something.
Yes, yes.
I've
The same
had this
like
one,
mine?
but
Yes,
not-
yes.
Okay.
Helen
And you give me
finished.
a huge portion.
No,
No,
it's
it's
not.
not Helen.
Helen already finished, is it?
Helen already finished it.
It's Helen finished it one, yeah.
See this unit.
Oh, is that?
Someone just brought this for me. You saying, look, too much food again. The boy just brought the
Yeah.
cake for me.
Oh.
Super. He makes something like
No, he
that.
gets it from the shop. He not making it. Only Yuni can make.
Really?
Yeah.
You need tell me your channel.
Yes, I will give you channel. Yes, yes,
your
I will.
details
Yeah.
and I follow you.
Oh,
that's good.
thank you.
Okay.
Try, yes.
Okay, I try first.
Yes, good, good.
Okay.
Yes. Just honest opinion. If you like,
Honest,
yeah.
If you don't like it, you have to say
Yes,
no.
no,
You can't
yeah.
say
My
nice.
problems is I really
You're too nice.
I'm travel because food. You know, we go
Yeah.
in Thailand next week.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm crazy about food.
Oh.
But I never see this.
Yes.
And this one is something what I never see.
Yeah,
and
try
never
first,
try,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe I try with rice. Smell beautiful.
Supposed to be cold. Okay.
Beautiful. That peanut.
Yes.
Rice is different.
Yes.
Much more. Oh, it's such a different. Just a second.
What she can do is, you know, when you go on her channel, she shows how she make the food beforehand.
Yes.
What ingredients you show, how long it takes to
Good.
cooking.
We got
so
it. Okay.
beforehand, all this will be shown.
Beautiful.
Ingredients.
Oh my
I
mind.
like
It's-
it.
Oh yes. It's
I think
such
you
a
like it. I
different-
think you don't like it really.
No, that's you know I like it. You know that's such a different. I never eat rice and make like that because taste smooth, like
You should have
Different.
seen when you was away. I was going to ask you last month. I went away too, but I think you guys were
we've
away.
been in Poland 2 months
Yeah,
almost.
we did that summer party,
We see advertised. Yeah, we've been.
and she should have seen how much she cooked for us then.
You did.
Yeah, she did so much cooking for us then.
Oh, shame we not.
But it's on YouTube. If you go on YouTube
You have
channel,
to give me.
the
Yes,
parties
I will.
are
Yeah.
there. But you know, your party,
Yeah.
the food finished so quick.
Yes.
What happened was, lots of people come after that.
Oh,
Because I think
okay.
your food finished in the first 1 hour.
That's
or
right.
something
Yeah.
like that.
No, only 5 minutes gone.
Yeah.
Seriously.
I really believe why.
5
Because when
minutes.
I was looking at your channel,
Yeah.
it was like we had lots of more people afterwards come.
Oh really? Yeah, that is why I thought my food also is not the first coming. Your food first,
Yeah.
and then me in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Such a beautiful that this is peanuts, really peanuts.
Yes, that's
I
it.
never see peanuts like that.
And then anchovy, tried little anchovy. It's not like anchovy in European country. No, that is Indonesia. It's very like a little, very little anchovies. Yeah, I'm only find in Indonesia the anchovy. Yeah.
And it's a little bit spicy, or
Yes, with the spicy. Yeah.
That's incredible. I never eat something like that.
Oh, that's
Spicy
good.
and peanuts taste. And
Yeah.
that's amazing. Beautiful.
Very nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's different.
Oh, you like the anchovy?
It's very good.
Yeah, I like them. Yeah.
And I'm trying.
Yeah.
Smell. Beautiful. This is meat, of
Yes.
course.
Yes.
But
We call rendang.
okay.
That is the famous Indonesian dish rendang. If you come to Indonesia, everybody know rendang. Yeah.
That is my first experience about this.
Oh,
And
that's
here
good,
we go.
yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful. I never eat something like that. Beautiful. Oh, I need keep for my husband a little bit. I need to show him.
That's good, good.
I'm sure he loves it because he's like me. Beautiful. But I would like to know your recipe about this. Because
Okay.
to send it to
That's
text,
okay.
but I couldn't send it.
beautiful.
Okay,
We
yes.
try sometimes cook like that, but of course we do a lot of mistake. But if you give me and you are neighbors, oh my god, that's amazing.
That's good, good.
Beautiful. Thank
Okay,
you so
thanks
much.
so much.
Really,
Yes.
thank you. I keep for my husband. I try with him. So I'm chef with him everything. I want to show him, you know.
Okay,
because if I
yeah.
eat all of it.
Yeah.
I take it for home.
All right, good. Yeah.
That's so beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you. I take it this. I want if you don't try it. Anyway, if you will tell me how called that peanuts.
Peanut is anchovy, balado. That is peanut,
Peanuts.
and anchovy. That's it.
Mm-hmm,
You understand?
Yes.
That's it.
And meat, if you tell me.
Oh, meat. Rendang. Yeah.
Every week she do something different. So not
Rendang
just this, every 2 weeks, something new.
Time try follow. But thank you so much. Really make me so excited.
No, it's-
Try this, and that's something new for me. And I'm
Yes,
definitely.
that's good.
I'm curious what my husband says.
All right.
Thank you so much.
you.
Okay, well, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Invite me.
Yes,
Yes, I
yeah.
have. Thank you so much. I hopefully I left something for you.
Thank you.
See you.
See you. Bye.
Mommy, what's for dinner? Special. Special? What does that mean? Oh, yay! Little fish, little fish. I really like little fish. It's one of my favourite foods. It's really nice. I really like it because I call it little fish because if you look closely, it's little fish with nuts. Yay! Let me open it. Don't tell my mom, she's still cooking. Hopefully she can't hear. All right. This is so good. There's more. This is the little fish. This is the spice. And this is the spice.